Hello again, everyone. This is a vocabulary mini lesson to prepare you for our work tomorrow on early U.S. participation in World War II. So here is the objective for tomorrow's activity. Students will analyze a broadside created by the Committee to Defend America by Aiding the Allies to identify reasons why some Americans wanted more U.S. participation in World War II. So there may be some words in there that are unfamiliar to you. Words like analyze, broadside, and allies. So let's take each of these words one at a time to help you understand their meaning. So allies. This word should be familiar to you from our lesson yesterday on the causes of World War II. We discussed how World War II began. So in a general sense, the word allies just means friends. But in a political sense, when we're talking about countries, allies are nations that come together or unite as a group for a common purpose, to achieve something they all want. So in Spanish, that word is, where's my cursor? Aliados, allies. So again, to refresh your memory, during World War II, the Allies were Great Britain, France, the Soviet Union, the United States, and 22 more nations. So Great Britain, France, the Soviet Union, the United States. The Allies on this map are colored in green. So the word broadside, what does that mean? A broadside is simply a handout or a poster that presents a strong point of view on a topic. Sometimes it can also be an advertisement. It's a single sheet of paper on which is printed an essay in support of some argument. So here we have two examples of broadsides. In Spanish, the word, one more time. All right. So the broadside that we'll be looking at tomorrow is this. It's the back and front of an argument printed by the Committee to Defend America by Aiding the Allies. Now we are going to be analyzing that broadside in small groups. So what do I mean by analyze? To analyze something is to study it carefully and closely so that you can understand its parts. In Spanish? Okay, so what exactly do I mean? To analyze something, you first want to read the text slowly and carefully just to understand the meaning. Look up any words you're unfamiliar with. Just know what the text says. Next, you're going to identify the main idea of the text. What is the author's argument? What are they trying to prove to us or convince us of? And finally, how does the author support this argument? What reasons do they give to prove their main idea? So again, here is our broadside for tomorrow. We might start by reading the first paragraph. The Committee to Defend America by Aiding the Allies is committed to an Allied success because America and the American way of life will be gravely imperiled by an Axis victory. There may be a few more unfamiliar words you'll need help with tomorrow, but we're going to start by reading this paragraph, and that first sentence expresses the main idea. So you'll want to read that with your group mates to figure out, what does this Committee to Defend America believe? Then we'll go through the rest of the document to try to figure out their reasons why they believe that. So I hope this mini lesson has helped with some unfamiliar vocabulary. Please feel free to email me tonight if you have any questions, and of course I'll be around tomorrow to work with you further. See you tomorrow.